We have the ability, we have the talented students, we have professors who care about you. We are here to help you, to support you to achieve whatever dreams you have coming into the Faculty of Business and Economics. As a campus in downtown, we are within walking distance to great employers around campus. We have exciting sports company, a lot of nonprofits, and financial management firms here. So it's easier for guest speakers to come to our campus to speak, easier to make networking events. It's pretty amazing to have these opportunities as a university in downtown of an up-and-coming major city like Winnipeg. Business is an exciting area where it's moving so fast with AI and data and technology and opportunities. So we do not fully expect you to acquire all the skills that you would need in your job. But what we can guarantee you here is that you'll be exposed to as many opportunities as possible. In our first 2 years, you will learn about all these different fields. You learn what jobs, what majors you want to do, and we make sure to prepare you for each different career path. And then whatever your heart decides that you want to do, for example, you say, okay, marketing is my thing, I love it, I love to learn about it, it's exciting to me. Then you start learning about fundamentals of marketing in the 3rd and 4th year classes. So you don't have to jump into and know what you want. We have a transitions and a lot of body of support around you to make sure you are given informed decisions on what you want to pursue for the rest of your career. With the data-driven world that we are living in, the key skills we're going to teach is quantitative skills. A lot of students struggle with our modeling class or statistics. However, these skills are essentials to today's business world. To acquire this kind of skill set, we have tutoring sections, study section for final exams. We have chance for you to develop your skills before entering our majors. In addition to that, you need a lot of soft skills as well. For example, presentation skills. When you work in a business setting, you have a lot of stakeholders and everyone expects a different communication style. So learning how to communicate effectively to all these audience is very important to a successful business career. Group work skills. Students always come to us like, can I do this assignment alone? The answer is, sorry, but you have to learn how to do this in a safe setting and in a university. When you are in the real world, you cannot pick your teammates. So to work very effectively in a group settings, how to communicate with others, to executive management, to communicate and delegate tasks in a group setting is absolutely essential. In every class, we usually have a group work components, group projects that require you to present either to a real clients, to your professors, to your class. And these are safe space where you can make mistakes and improve and learn so that you are ready when you enter the workforce. In the Faculty of Business and Economics, networking is #1 important part. Learning how to network, how to advertise your strongest attributes. We all teach all of that in our programs. And also our professors are all excited to provide recommendations to bridge the gap between employers and university as well. So you don't have to do this all alone, but you have to show up and be ready to embrace the anxiety of networking. We have a lot of opportunities for students to connect with industry professionals and networking for job opportunities. In my class in particular, I have had Wawanesa Insurance, United Way, Park City Car Co-op. We have real-world projects to work with them. So these not only give you a chance to apply your knowledge, but also provide real-world recommendations for organizations to actually use them and open you up for job opportunities. A lot of our clients have hired students because their class projects are just so good. One piece of advice I want to give to students is that you get what you put into this subject. You will only get the most from your business degree if you show up to student activities. You have company crawl, for example, where you go around the city, visit different businesses, and network with executives and find out about different job opportunities there. We have a business analytic competition that we just launched last year. Our students compete with students from all around Canada. And guess what? Our student won the 2nd place. So these skills and networking you get from these competitions are more valuable than any of the assignments or homework you ever do. Business is very different from other majors. In business, you have a lot more opportunities to explore, which is both nerve-wracking, but also it presents a lot of opportunities as well. You can choose to be an accountant. You can choose to be an operational supply chain management specialist, human resources managers. Even in marketing, you can be a marketing researcher. You can do advertising, a salesperson. We can get any jobs you want if you put in the work. The sky is the limit.